Hello, Professor Ali Al-Haj. My name is Mohammed Al-Zu'bi. Today I'm going to present Cisco Secure Network Analysis Stealthwatch. What is Cisco Secure Network Analysis? It's the most comprehensive visibility and network traffic analysis (NTA), network identification and response (NDR) approach that uses existing network infrastructure telemetry. It detects malicious and suspicious behavior on a company's network. The clever thing about flow-based analysis is that it involves the statistical analysis of counts pulled from packets, headers alone. At the time, this meant the solution could operate at higher packet rates than IDP and IPS alternatives of the day. This product journey began in 2001. It uses multi-layered machine learning and advanced behavioral modeling all across the extended network. It is the only solution that can analyze encrypted traffic to detect malware and ensure policy compliance without decryption. To begin using Stealthwatch, you need a flow collector that collects enterprise telemetry from your existing network infrastructure and the SMC System Management Controller or Stealthwatch Management Console, shown here in this figure. That aggregates, organizes, and presents the analysis, and these are available as either physical or virtual appliances. As soon as you log into Stealthwatch, you will see an aggregated view of the security posture of your organization extended across all network hosts. At the top, you can view all different alarms being triggered, such as reconnaissance, data hoarding, and data exfiltration. You can see the alarms being triggered by hosts as we scroll down. You can view alarms by type, and you can see the total alarms counts for that given day. Here you can see the flow collection trend in the top applications being used enterprise-wide. Advanced threat detection. First thing you want to look at is the concern index, right here. This alarm is raised if a host is exhibiting any kind of suspicious behavior such as port or address scanning and malware propagation. You can see several hosts that have a high concern index. After clicking on one of those, you will see the following screen. Here we see all of the hosts enterprise-wide that are throwing alarms inside of Stealthwatch. They are auto-sorted from highest to lowest severity, and you can see several hosts across the top that are triggering several of our different alarm indices. The concern index, as I mentioned earlier, is the most important alarm inside of Stealthwatch. After clicking on one of the hosts exhibiting high concern, you will see this screen. You can see this given host security event details. We cannot only determine the IP address of the machine from where the threat is originating, but there the integration with Cisco Identity Service Engine or ICE. You can also view the user information. At this point, I think that this machine might be compromised, so far further investigation. Click on the IP address and drill into what's called the host report. Here's the host snapshot. Every host in your connected network is going to have a host report, just like this, showing you detailed security information and visibility information about that given host. As we see here in the host summary widget, along with other information about the host, you see the quarantine and unquarantine buttons. You can shut down this host network access instantly by initiating a security group tag change or even a port shutdown, whatever it takes to prevent malware or the security threat from propagating. After the threat's resolved, it's just as easy to add the hosts back into the security group using the unquarantine button, giving this host its prior access. Stealthwatch is able to detect advanced threats in real time, quickly investigate the source of threat to the infected host, and then, through the integration with ICE, easily mitigate threats by enforcing a security policy, all this while maintaining business continuity without any shutdowns. Another unique capability of Stealthwatch is the ability to simplify segmentation by creating logical host group models using advanced machine learning and behavioral modeling. Now that you can see more and you can do more by creating segmentation policies and also monitor if they are being violated through alarms triggered by Stealthwatch. This can be created for different business unit domains, controllers, location. For example, the end user logical host group should never talk to the contractor logical host group, or the contractor logical host group should never have access to sensitive servers. On the right side, you can see the geographic locations and applications that this host has communicated with. In the monitor host groups, you can see all of the network traffic and security analytics for any given host group wide. On the top, you can see any alarm for that logical host group. As we scroll down, you can see top applications, both inbound and outbound for that logical host group. And you can also see east and west lateral application traffic inside this logical host group. It's a tremendous amount of visibility on all network communications on every device inside these logical host groups. If you want, you can also click Change Host Group. Select a different logical host group based upon the investigation that you are doing currently. Select it and it will change to that logical host group and show you similar statistics for that given logical host group, so you get complete visibility in every part of the digital network. Thank you for watching.